Bitcoin has just experienced a massive short squeeze and is now dumping back down, keeping in line with the trading plan that we had in the Casper Crew VIP Discord to pump from 29.5 for a potential short trade at 31,455. I hope everybody who shorted the bottom and longed the top are wearing their depends. We have just experienced a massive short squeeze where Bitcoin has pumped over 4% in a matter of minutes, putting in a new local high, but we are currently seeing a little bit of a rejection. Now, I am still holding the juicy swing long trades that we gave in the Casper Crew VIP Discord from the exact bottom, as well as this long trade that we gave in the Casper Crew VIP Discord from this exact bottom. But now you can see we're coming up to a potential short level that we also gave in the Casper Crew VIP Discord, and Bitcoin is getting a rejection from that exact level. So are we going to break out? Are we going to hit our target? Or was this a massive liquidity grab, stop hunt, fake out for a massive dump to the downside? It depends on what happens within the next few hours. We need to be watching the price action right now because it is going to tell us exactly what the market wants to do. So make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click that bell for notifications because we are bringing you the most timely, the juiciest, and the most cardio-friendly Bitcoin updates here on YouTube. Why did Bitcoin get a huge pump to the upside, and why are we currently getting a rejection? We have essentially seen a liquidity grab of both the low of the range and the high of the range. This is the exact trading plan that we had in the Casper Crew VIP Discord, where we were looking to come down to 29.5 to take out the lows, get a move up to 31,455, take out the highs, potentially trading it all the way back down to the low of the range. Shout out to the Casper Crew, literally taking the long from the exact bottom of the range and taking the short from the exact top of the range. Is this going to result in a giant dump, or are we still going to pump and hit our target? These are the times where understanding the local scenario is very, very important, because this local range is the context in which we need to be looking for trade setups and understanding what is happening in regard to market structure on an hour-to-hour basis. So right now, we have come down to the low of the range for the liquidity grab, and we have come up to the top of the range for the liquidity grab. What does this mean? This means that right now, if we hold certain local supports within this range, we can still expect another big move to the upside. So let's talk about what has to hold within this giant bull flag to basically get our big breakout to $36,000. Now, I'm still holding this swing long trade that we gave in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. By the way, guys, if you want to trade along with us on MEXC, it's literally the best deal you can get on exchanges. 0% limit order fees, 0.01% market order fees, up to a $9,000 deposit bonus. Links in the pinned comment and description for MEXC. Also, if you are a trader based in the United States and you don't want to use a VPN or KYC, I highly recommend you check out ZOOMEX. In the pinned comment and description, a centralized and a decentralized exchange in the same place. Great for US traders. Also, if you want to join the Casper Crew, where we give the juicy trade setups in advance, the levels we're looking to trade, in multiple live streams a day, you can go to jasoncaspertrading.com, click the link to join the Discord, and take advantage of the 25% discount that we have on both of our trading courses, changing the way thousands of people approach these markets, giving you a point A to point Z complete trading system so you can actually do this with sustainability and longevity. Understanding that we are right now trading a sideways range means the following. First of all, you can see that we are currently coming down to retest a very important support resistance flip right around the high volume node of the range. In addition to that, if we take a Fibonacci retracement from the most recent low to the most recent high, you can see that we're coming down to the area between the 618 and the 786. If we can actually hold this support, I do believe we're going to break out of this bull flag and hit a $36,000 Bitcoin. However, I've also drawn a trend line right here on the chart. These two lows, in my opinion, are begging to get stop hunted because they are just above the value area low of the range, right? We never actually came down to hit the value area low of the range either on July 2nd or yesterday on July 5th, which basically means if we're going to be continuing to trade this range in keeping with the bullish market structure from the low that we put in on June 30th, we have our low, we have our high, we potentially have our higher low, we potentially have our higher high. So people have their stop losses underneath the last higher low. If we come down just to stop out everybody who has their stop losses under the last higher low, coming down to the very important support at the low of the range, we're actually coming down to a very important level that's literally been respected once on June 25th, another tap, another tap, another tap. Literally 4 times this support has been respected. And so there's a really good chance we just come back down to the bottom of the range, and then we can actually look for a breakout. Now, I want to bring your attention to the 24-minute time frame. you can see right now, if we do get a move all the way back down to the low of the range, we have a lot of confluences down here. We have the macro Fibonacci golden pocket 786. We have the value area low of the range, as well as an old daily area of support. Now, when we take a look at our oscillator market Cipher B, we can see that there's a really good chance if we actually do come down and tap that area of support, that market Cipher B will be printing a very nice looking bullish divergence with money flow and momentum getting higher over time, giving us the coveted Sam Bankman-Fried bullish man breast pattern, which I talk about every single video. Some people love this, some people hate us. We got the mammary flow getting higher, we got the man boobs getting higher as the price is getting lower into key support. This is always a very juicy long signal, in my opinion. So potentially, we are seeing ourselves getting set up for a juicy long trade after stopping out everybody who's long from here or long from here who has their stop losses underneath here, because the market always loves to wreck as many people as possible. This is why in the Casper Crew VIP Discord, we were looking for the long trade from a liquidity grab from right here, and we were looking for the short trade for a liquidity grab from right here. This is the plan that we've had basically for the past week right here, and this played out very nicely because the market always wants to wreck as many people as possible. Right now, $30,000 is a very, very key area of support, and if we lose $30,000, I'm expecting a much bigger move to the downside where I will be looking for swing long trades from lower levels. But if we can hold either where we're currently holding right now, or we get the move I'm looking for from around 30K, then I do believe we are going to hit a $36,000 Bitcoin, because overall the trend is still bullish. And overall, guys, I am still looking to hold these juicy swing long trades to higher targets. You can see right here, I've got my next TP on this long trade at $32,500. And as we are coming down to a local zone of support, this is a place right here to take a little profit on my Bitcoin short trade. Boom. And guys, that's it for today's video. I do pray everybody is super blessed in the name of Jesus, Yeshua, the Messiah. Even if you are not religious, I still pray that you are super blessed. And I hope everyone has a great day, and I'll see everybody in the next video. Peace!